Hello everyone, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, we'll be discussing about the span element. How to make use of the span element. So, without wasting much of our time, let me show you. So, the span element can be used in between a paragraph. You can use it. Let me show you so that you understand better. So, the span element. So, let me say, enter my p tag. Let me see the color of my color of my band. So color of my shirt is blue. So font with bold. Okay, color of my shirt is blue. Color of my okay, the color of my shirt. So the color of my shirt is blue. So now this is how we make use of the span element. So you can use the span element to change the property of a paragraph or of a given element. So now with this, I make use of little CSS in between the span element so that you can understand what the span element is all about. So this is how you can make use of the span element. I believe this helps you. Thank you.